Welcome back, friends. I just thought I would take this opportunity to share my sweet hens here with one rooster watching over this flock. We love to give them our leftover scraps here and just give them these treats. Try to do a different treat every day, whether it's our scraps or dried mealworms or scratch grain or whatever it is. But today they got a treat of a whole quart of yogurt that just didn't get eaten in the house. And right now we're allowing them to kind of take over half of our garden area. You can see that orange fencing there just kind of dividing off the garden. So they have this area that they have kind of eaten everything down. You can just see it's brown there. And they have their side also in the coop. I'm just going to collect some eggs. We're getting quite a few eggs these days. We have decided to feed them a high protein food during the winter time, just to try and get some extra protein in them so that they would lay a little bit more consistently. We don't have extra lighting in the coop or anything like that, but then we were only getting like 3 eggs a day for 20 chickens. So we upped that protein content, and we're getting now anywhere between 7 and 10 eggs a day. So we're good with that number. We're able to share eggs with different friends and family, and we're just loving this time being out in the yard with the girls and also starting the garden off. It's very exciting when spring is starting to come. This is our 3rd year doing this, and spring is coming, and it's time to just start planning and watching the life grow, the hard work that you've put into things, and then you see the life come and the fruit that develops with what you have done. So here's just a closer look, enjoying their yummy snacks. And here's our rooster man. I named him Johnny. Every time I come home from work, I work night shift in the hospital. He's crowing for me when I get home. He really does crow all day, but he's crowing a lot in the morning. So this is the garden side they cannot get to, and these 2 beds are planted out with Texas sweet onions, some red Creole onions, and another white onion. And then there's garlic in that far bed with some lettuce. Here's these seeds we started a few weeks ago together. I think it was probably 2 weeks prior to this that we started these seeds together, and they are doing wonderfully. And even since I recorded this video, they have grown tremendously. Even more things are popping out. I didn't start these sweet potatoes with you all, but you just plop a sweet potato right there in the dirt. Slips, you just break off your sweet potato sprouted and have some really good leaves on them. And then you take those stems and you put those in water, and roots will grow from those. So out of all the eggs we collected today and over the last couple of days, I'm going to wash these eggs up. We'll get these in the fridge. My daughter's asked for some for her breakfast that she makes for them for the week. Her and her husband, she makes a bunch of breakfast burritos and sends those to work with him and for her to have for breakfast. And also have some friends at church that buy eggs. And so we're just going to get all these eggs washed up. I know you don't have to put soap on them, but I just feel like I need to put soap on them for some reason. And so we're just going to spend a few minutes just giving a light scrub up to all these eggs. Such a beautiful rainbow here of eggs. The 2 times we have purchased chicks, we made sure that they were high production layers and they would give us a variety of eggshells. thank you for joining me while we spent this day checking on the girls, harvesting the eggs, checking on our seedlings, and now washing up these eggs to bless our others and our family. Just really appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. And if you want to follow along, I will pop up my logo here on the side, and you can just click on that, and there'll be an easy way to subscribe so you can follow along and see what we do with this garden, how our chickens continue to provide for us, and many recipes that you can follow along and just kind of find out a little bit about Louisiana. So we hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.